Hello, hello, welcome back. Hope everyone's doing good. I'm back. So earlier I did topology for a bunch of areas. I did this, and this. So yeah, the model is getting there. Just update this. Okay, I'm just going to update stuff. You know, just to have things looking good in here. Okay. Now this the last piece on the top before jumping down. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm going to take out the lines, so I have to think about them. So I know what the lines are. Yeah, this whole section, probably I'm gonna have it separate than this section and this section. Or maybe not. Yeah, I know where I'm gonna do this. So I have line here, a line here, a line here. Okay, this. I really can do all of this in one geometry with just holding edges and shit. Just okay. This is gonna be a different version. This is the one I'm gonna do retop on. The other one is gonna be, you know, where the lines are. Okay, let's do something. I was playing Street Fighter and I saw a character that she has the same type of. Plus, I was looking for the type of, the type of suit she will have this thing here for reference. And I'm looking also how, like, oh my god, folding is. Oh yeah, I copied. Yeah, you know how like the type of folds this fabric will have. I mean, to be honest, there is no folds in a lot of stuff. The only thing I could do is like add those small folds just to exaggerate the fact that it's on top of it. So we will see. Yeah, because mostly the fabric does not show, to be honest, does not show folds. Also, what's the, okay, this character. Okay, what's her name? King of Fighter 15. Characters. Oh my god, what is I forgot the name and I don't want to run the game. Character list name. Okay, where is she? Oh, yeah, this one. She's with the team Secret Asian. This one. Yeah, this one. She's wearing exactly the same things. What's her name? Yeah. Yeah, you see she's wearing the thing that the character has. Yeah, I mean, it's basically, we will see. Maybe I'm gonna take off folds. I'm not sure. I mean, the folding does add like a small, nice, small detail, but could be not there. Okay, let's do topology. Okay, the first line is there. Second one is here. Okay, first line is here. Second one is here. Okay, this is the edge. Okay, so this is the edge for that, and this is the edge for this one. This is the edge for this one. I'm gonna add that after, when there is no. So like this, and then it's turning. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the corner. Okay, that's the corner. Yeah, the issue is having enough edges going down. Yeah, here I'm gonna need more edges going down. So if I do this, it's gonna finish here. Okay, let me see. I don't need because I'm gonna have a cut anyway there. So I have it there, I have it there. Oh, so I have this. Oh no, all of them. And this. Okay. Yeah, thank you. And this. Don't need this. Okay, it's that one. Oh, let me check something. Hmm. So this is all of this is edge. Okay, let's yeah, I want this to go this way, so this is why it's gonna be weird. This line should go this way. Mm, it's really annoying. It's really annoying. Look, still. Yeah, I want to emulate that like ribcage flare. This is what I don't understand. They're all, I literally select the whole line, but still, freaking keep some of them down. Up, straight, going down. Okay, let's try this. Okay, I have a line here. A line here. One here and one here. Double check. And one in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna do the middle after. Okay, let's do this. Mm, I don't want the line to go. Yeah, I guess. Not enough. And there are going so many in there. I need to stop them. Yeah, there's too many going this way, so need to find a way to turn them around. different. No, it's not great. This kinda looks like the muscle, but it's not showing up great. Plus this. I mean, I don't care about the inside, I guess. Only care about this. So I have this, this. Why there is not? Okay, let me just do this. Okay, what is this? Why this is weird? Oh my god. I do not love this shit here. Yeah, like looks like the muscle transition, but I still don't like it. It's gonna be a ZBrush fix right there. Okay, this is I don't want this. Yeah, I want a more nice transition. Hello. I'm working on this. Let me show you. I'm working on this. This is a character from this concept here. This concept here. So this concept has only this visible. I already did the guy. It's this one. Let me show you. This is the guy. Yeah, I did the guy. Now I'm like working on the girl, so I could put both of them together with like the pose and all of that. So yeah, what is it? It's from a concept artist called Hicham Habchi. So yeah, so I'm literally I don't want to get banned showing some weird pictures. Yeah, anatomy reference. Thanks, thank you. Yeah, so I'm like doing retopology right now. Uh, at the beginning, I blocked out my stuff in ZBrush, like this, just to block rough stuff to see the design. And now I'm like going through each object and doing like the good, clean topology. Thank you. I'm doing this piece here. This piece here. Yeah. Yeah, this is the stuff I already did. So thanks a lot. Thanks. Yep. Yeah, trying to get something that looks decent. So I'm like working on like creating those lines. Yeah, Retopo is a really boring process, but it's a process that you have to go through when if you want to have like nice and clean topology. I mean, there is so many tricks you could use to do retopology in ZBrush, like zero measure and all of that. I'm waiting for AI to take that part of the job out. Yeah, I'm waiting to see if AI can do like a really nice production topology. Yeah, because the ZBrush topology, yeah, there is some tricks you could use to make it production friendly. Yeah, that's the yeah. To be honest, ZBrush UI it is overwhelming. Like when you look at the software for the first, this is not the default ZBrush. This is just me adding some buttons I use all the time. But the UI is overwhelming. I mean, if you have the chance to have an iPad, you could use the ZBrush, the iPad version, because they really optimize the layout and all of that. So maybe try there. But yeah, it's overwhelming, but when you look at it, you don't use that much stuff. Like you really don't. Yeah, yeah, you just need to be like really consistent about what you want to do. Like it's overwhelming, all the brushes, all the options, all the stuff. It for the first time it is. You're right, it is. It is not friendly, user friendly. It's like they keep adding stuff on top of each other, like they're like along the years, and like it is what it is. It just looks intimidated, but it is an easy thing if you understand like just how to navigate, how to like understand the brushes, and that's it. You don't have to like I don't know all the there's so many hidden options that I really don't know, and I've been using ZBrush for years, and I really don't know a lot of stuff. But I have a workflow that I use that I don't care about all the other stuff because if I'm stuck, I'm just gonna jump to Maya or Max to do it, or it's vice versa. So you really should not give up on it and give it more tries. It is overwhelming. Like I'm not gonna lie. It is. But it's a fun software. The moment you like the moment you get the hang of it, it's really a really nice software. A really nice software to use. I mean, I do work in VFX, I work in video games, animation, whatever. I mean, when you look at the character modeling does not change much between. Of course, each medium has its own technical constraint, but the overall, at least the ZBrush parts and all of that's the same. It's just about how many polygons you have, the budget, what's the type, like UDIMs you're gonna use, how many parts and objects, how much details you want to put into the geometry. That's where the mediums changes. Yeah, but for this specific example, I really like just tried did all the details like manually and all of that. And for this one, I'm trying to get all the details like the lines and stuff in the geometry instead of because I want to have like a close up, so I want to have those sharp line and all of that in the geometry. I mean, if this is for video game, for example, all of this will be one geometry. I could even connect this to the body if we're not using base mesh. I could literally connect that to the body and then bake all those details after. But in this case I'm doing renders, so I want to do like all the details in geometry. So yeah, it is an overwhelming software, but yeah, I'm just trying to have fun with it. I mean, I think you should for your personal stuff, you should just do your best. It doesn't matter. Like you could like change the style to have a simple stuff, you know, just that works with your short. You could do real-time animation instead, like real-time renders instead like a VFX render. There is so many ways you could work around that. Especially if it's, let's say, like a school project, so like a personal thing that you want to do. You shouldn't compare yourself with teams, especially if you're working by yourself or like at most like one or your friend or something. You should compare yourself. You shouldn't compare your work to like I don't know Pixar or Disney or like Blur or like team of work. Yeah, yeah. You shouldn't compare. You should do just your best with what and push it as much as you can. You shouldn't compare yourself. It's especially if it's your first. Yeah, you should focus on finishing the project instead of like doing the best thing ever there, for a first thing. go through the whole of course you have to push yourself in all aspects, but again you should be like proud of. Yeah, yeah, it's a personal project. It's really nice. Yeah, I mean technically if you're doing like characters, and maybe change the medium, maybe have the characters only works in Maya, I don't know, or Max or whatever, medium or Cinema 4D, whatever. You don't have to do like a ZBrush characters, you know? Especially now there is so many tutorials out there. Nice, nice, good luck. And show me when you're done. I feel like if you're doing it by yourself, especially if you're skinning the character yourself or rigging the character yourself, I agree. The rich apology part is kind of boring, and it takes a while. But maybe you really need to focus on just do your best and like and have like iterations of your characters. You know, like do something and work on it and like keep iterating until you get like a really nice result you need. And especially if you're not pressed with time, don't, yeah, if you're not pressed with time, yeah, just please just work slowly, do as much as you can, because no one is not like pressuring you about finishing in like a specific time, unless if you are pressed with time, of course. Oh, yeah. I mean, the way I start the streams, to be honest, because I have so many personal projects, ideas I want to do and stuff, and I took this streaming thing as so to push myself. Maybe start doing something like that. Like start doing something that's gonna push you to finish your project, so you don't have you're not just working without like planning and all of that. I'm talking like this, but trust me, I have a shitload of fucking ads. Oh, oh, I'm gonna say it after. Okay, I maybe the ad is done. Is it 30 second? Uh, I have no idea how much they run this. Let me see. Oh, I can't see the ads because it's my profile. Yeah, yeah, I said, I'm gonna just say it again. If you want to finish your stuff, you have to either way. Like for me, I have a bunch of personal projects, and I start doing this stream so I could push myself and like keep myself on top of the project. So maybe you should do something like this, or if you have work outside or school or whatever, you need to have like at least a time. I'm trying to have like a time to work, so you could, doesn't matter how much time, but it doesn't matter, just work on your stuff. I mean, from my personal experience, even in this stream, sometimes I work half an hour or like an hour or something, but at least I feel happy because I did some work. Yeah, so look for something that's gonna keep you. Yeah, I was saying that's really look for something that's gonna push you to finish your project if you're pressed by time. Oh, that's really cool. Let me check. Let me check. Nice. It's good to really meet people. Oh, you really do. Oh, you're working with Max. That's sick. That's nice. I like Max. I'm gonna follow you. You have a lot of. Looks like you have cool stuff. I mean, that's good. That's good. You have streams. You have streams that's gonna push you to do your personal projects, which is cool. This is cool. Yeah, Macs do have really. I mean, they do have the same kind of the same rich topology tools like Maya. Max has a lot of cool stuff, to be honest, especially in modeling. That's good. That's good. Like really, really keep streaming like this. Just keep doing it on stream because it pushes you. Like especially you're like you're streaming, people are watching. You wanna like keep working, keep like on top of your stuff. This is really cool. Oh, no worries. I mean, I like to follow artists or people that like really do. I mean, there is not that much people that streams stream stuff like this, or maybe I just don't know. Oh shit, really? That's cool. I mean, I'm literally following like one, two, three, four people. You're the fifth one that does 3D. Most the people I follow do other stuff. Oh, that's cool. I guess I just need to get familiar with the no. I mean, it's good to build a community here for people that do 3D. Yeah, because most of the Twitch people are like, mostly they do video game stuff or reactions. Nice. Maybe the time I stream, there is not a lot, so because I live in the East Coast. Nice, nice. Yeah, maybe after this project, I'm gonna start something like real time, like games, game style, to have different stuff. Yeah, it is late for. Yeah, you're right. It's late. I took a week break, not break, but I had a medical thing, so I had to disappear for a week. I came back, and my usual people that watch me at this time, they're not here now. Nice, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Fox Creative Gaming. Nice, you're doing games. Yeah, yeah. I mean, there's nothing I can do about that because I had like some eye exam, so I was blind for like 5 days. So there's nothing I can do about that. But it's okay. It's okay. Uh, the view is gonna be built back again, so it's okay. With consistency streaming. Oh shit! This one didn't go all the way. Shit! This is bad. This is really bad. This is also bad. Looks weird. Does not look clean. Looks weird. Nice. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, it's good to have like a separate, like have multiple stuff, you know. Just so you'll have an idea how things are made, you know. Ah, shit. I need to fix this. I don't know what's going on. I lost this. Why? I really remember I had this. Maybe it was wrong. Okay, I need three. Hmm, I really screwed up in here. I don't know what happens. Yeah, they should. Yeah, fucking does not like this at all. This whole section is bad. Yeah, this whole section is shitty. Let me fix this in ZBrush. And I have quad issues, of course, inside. I'm not gonna care about the inside. Yeah, don't care about the inside. Yeah, this whole section is shitty. Also, this is really need to be exaggerated. Export. Yeah, now the line is visible. It wasn't great. Okay. Okay. Now it's better. Okay, nice. Way much better than used to be. It was looking shitty earlier. Okay, this is should go up. Yeah, I think I'm gonna exaggerate this too. So they be kind of visible. Why? Okay, now they're super visible, nice. Yeah, because it was kind of not cool. They were like barely visible. Not what I want. Yeah, I want to have a smooth transition between that and this one. So this way would be nice. I guess I'm gonna have to do some UV cuts for and this is just easy. Oh my god, it really took me ages to fix this. Yeah, the inside is all over the place. Just gonna close the inside. What is this? Oh, okay. Still quad. Where? Here. Yep, it's here. Still quad. Okay. Okay, why is this too much here but not here when I'm having symmetry on? Okay. I guess it's time to delete the health. Yeah, I know. Like tracking those edges is fucking weird. Especially like there's something I don't like in Maya. Like you know how Max remember the values for chamfers and values for extrusion. Here it's just gonna eyeball it. To be honest, I just eyeball them. You know, the thing I love about Max is the right click cancel. That's the best feature I've seen in any software. I don't even know if there's another software that has that. I don't know if you know that. The right click cancel. You know, like you could do something, but the moment you hit right click, you cancel the action. That's damn. That's some really great option. Okay, so yes, inside or outside? Outside. Why this is yeah. Oh, it didn't go all the way. This is why. Hmm. What's the reason that this didn't go? Just fun. My fucking god. Why this edge was not selected? It's just like an edge, simple edge loop shit. I'm like, why? as simple as connecting edge loop. It's shit, and my edges are looks like shit. I need to fix them again. I still don't understand. I selected the edge loop and it skipped this fucking edge for some reason. Okay, nice. No 5 edges. Clean up. Oh, clean up. Okay, this should not have a quad error. Import, yep, no quad error. Nice. Just need to fix this line looking crooked. Okay. Oh my god, I was like, let me that one. If I had this separate, I will not spend this much time in it. But I guess I like pain. but it's really, I'm happy. It's clean. That's the point. The point is to have this clean. Clean lines and clean shapes. Yeah, it's a clean shape with like a clean cut in here. I like it. Let's check the difference. Oh, let me give it some colors first. Okay, so I'm gonna do just this and this inside. Okay. Nope. I think X. Cut. Uh, oh, the front same color. I guess. What? This is weird. I need to fix this. I do quick UVs for quick selection. This is one of the cool options in ZBrush. I have like polygroups. Oh, what is this? Oh shit. Oh shit. Hmm, I guess shouldn't go far. Really? Forgot this. Okay, so let's check the cleanness. Okay, this is the one. Yeah, I'm trying to get the same thickness roughly, you know. Okay. Yeah, I think it's nice and clean and tidy. Okay, nice. I like this. Let's delete this. Old, new. Old, new. Yeah, I like this nice clean shapes. Oh my god, finally finished the top. Damn, it took me a while to have a nice clean top. Now this, yeah, I'm not gonna start this now because it's gonna take me a while, but let me save, and I'm gonna open up maybe a version before the cleaning to see what's up. Yeah, this is a version before the cleaning. Yep. Yeah, nice. Why this is not visible? Yeah, I like the shapes, I like the stuff. I like how clean this looks. I wonder if I should cut this line and finish it here to have this as one piece. I don't know. Okay, this one was going down. Yeah, I think this will be all for today. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna try to finish work early and work, I mean early. 5, 4. Yeah. Okay, nice, nice, nice. I like this. Yeah, I like. Yeah, I like this. Okay, thanks everyone that pops up in my stream, and thanks for the people that. Thanks, Fox, for the follow and or your questions. Please, if anyone has questions, please just comment them below the videos or in the stream, of course. Please don't forget to like, share it with people. I hope you learned something and hope to see you tomorrow. Cheers and have a good night. Bye.